May mga mornings na bumababa ako dito sa playground to reconnect, to clear my space. Bilang mommy, meron silang tinatawag na natutunan ko lalo naging nanay ko na naging siguro naging nanay ako, may natutunan ako na term na you get your pink back. Yun yung parang after mong manganak, naka-recover ka na physically and mentally, may parang kang glow up na nangyayari. And I'm trying to achieve that right now. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure how they parang feeling ko kasi for the first 2 years, I just want to focus my energy to my child than me. I think bilang nanay, dun ka natututo na it's not about you anymore, it's about your child na. And hindi ako nagmamadali to get that pink back kasi for the longest time, I've been focusing on myself. And when we were blessed to have Jacob, gusto ko naman i-focus yung attention sa kanya. So take your time, mommies. You don't need to get your pink back. Like, paglabas mo pa lang ng ospital or after a year or after 2 years. You'd get your pink back in time. Just focus mo muna on your child. And that's very important. Kasi di ba parang sabi nila, mabilis lang yung days na you'll get to spend with them. Ngayon, ikaw yung best friend nila. Pag pumasok sila sa school, ang best friend na nila yung teachers nila, yung mga kaklase nila. And then, next thing you know, teenager na sila. Hindi na ikaw yung best friend nila. So, just take your time. You don't need to get your pink back overnight or by tomorrow. Enjoy the moment of them being children. Good morning and happy Monday.